Anyway, since the Bible says a fool does not change his mind, I think they are not foolish. So they are wise people. They changed their minds.
Should Kenyans trust Fred Matiang'i as the next president? Kenya has been experiencing political instability for some time now. And now there seems to be a figure quietly being groomed by the international community to potentially replace President Ruto, who has been criticized by many as one of the most incompetent leaders in Kenya's history. Fred Matiang'i, known for his no-nonsense approach as a cabinet secretary during Uhuru Kenyatta's regime, is emerging as a key player in international power dynamics, positioning himself as a viable successor to President Ruto.
I want to know what the 3 points.
Reports indicate that Matiang'i has hired a Montreal-based Canadian lobbying firm for $250,000, approximately 32.2 million Kenyan shillings, to gain international support. According to an agreement signed on July 13, 2024, the firm Dickens and Madson will lobby the executive and or legislative branches of governments in powerful nations including the US, UK, Japan and Kenya, as well as other mutually agreed upon countries and international organizations on Matiang'i's behalf. The firm will also assist in devising and executing policies to support the beneficial development and stability of his political goals and aid him in attaining the office of the President of the Republic of Kenya. Despite some netizens believing Matiang'i could be the right person to address President Ruto's incompetency, there is a significant skepticism about his potential presidency. On social media platforms like Twitter, users have pointed out various concerns. They cite instances during his tenure as the Cabinet Secretary for Interior, when Kenyans witnessed extrajudicial killings with bodies being dumped in River Yala under the watch of Matiang'i and former President Uhuru Kenyatta.
Kwanza huyo Matiang'i Your Excellency alitishwa tu, unajua anafuata na ile aliua watu wengi akarusha huko River Yala, anafuatwa tu na ile watu aliwaua.
Dennis Itumbi is prosecuting Interior and Coordination of National Government Cabinet Secretary Dr. Fred Matiang'i over the Ruaraka land scam. Itumbi filed the case as a private prosecution and made an application on a certificate of urgency on the 18th of this month.
He was also accused of being a key player in the Ruaraka land grabbing scandal. These events have led many to question what kind of leader Matiang'i would be if he became president, considering his alleged brutal actions as a cabinet secretary. One Kenyan reacted strongly, saying, Matiang'i can take a huge middle finger, if anything. The guy, as much as he was capable of working, was ruthless. He used DCI to intimidate Kenyans to his full capabilities. Others have expressed concerns that Matiang'i's quest for international support mirrors President Ruto's approach, who has been criticized as a puppet of the international community, accused of contributing to Kenya's current predicaments. They fear that if Matiang'i becomes president, he too will be controlled by the international community to the detriment of Kenyan interests. Another Kenyan noted, saying on Twitter, replacing Ruto with Matiang'i is like trying to cure a headache by hitting your head. It will only get more painful and probably add more problems. The majority of human rights abuses by the police happened under Matiang'i and Kinoti's watch. But the big question is at the end, who do you think is capable of replacing President Ruto? Since we are seeing that right now, perhaps Matiang'i is being groomed as the next president. If you are given the chance to vote in Matiang'i, would you do so? Leave your thoughts in the comment section. That is it for now. Thanks for watching. Let's meet next time. Bye-bye.